In this short video, I want to look at a company called Tether, and I want to explain exactly what it is they do and what might be the impact on that particular business as a result of the Genius Act, which is new legislation that has more or less been passed through Congress on its way for signature by the President Trump. Tether issues the most widely used stablecoin, which is known as USDT. It has been estimated that there is approximately $160 billion worth of USDT currently in circulation. So what Tether does is it issues this digital asset, this token or coin USDT, with the promise that the value of this asset or this token will always be stable and related to, say, the dollar, the US dollar, on a one-for-one basis. The way that Tether does this is by taking the money that is invested in this particular coin, this USDT coin, and investing that in highly liquid assets that can be converted into the US currency, the fiat currency. Those investments would include, say, US Treasury bills, very short-term treasury instruments which have no credit risk and for which there is a very active liquid market, which means that if there are redemptions, if people want to redeem the USDT, then Tether can sell those treasury bills quickly, easily, and thereby have the necessary amount of dollars to redeem at this very stable level of one for one. Now, one of the problems that Tether will face is it is a company based in El Salvador, and under the Genius Act requirements, in order for, say, USDT to be regulated within the United States, it must conform with the regulatory framework in the United States. And it would be very hard to make the case that the regulatory framework in El Salvador is equivalent to that, say, in the United States. So it remains to be seen whether or not USDT will remain as the most widely used of all stable coins. If you're interested in this type of thing and you'd like to have a look at my YouTube channel, you can see it here, the Corcoran Codex. There's the URL, and thanks very much for watching.